Okay, so hey everybody, welcome to Homesteading with the Morgans. Today is Wednesday, January 24th, 2018, and we are working on some food preps, and I figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride. I've tried to set this camera up to where you guys could see me over here working at the table and doing it all, but I have a window here and a window over here. The lighting in this room is horrible. So I figured I'd do this little intro and then we'll go with it. But we're going to be putting up some noodles, and I'm going to show you guys the buckets we get and where we get them. And so let me get you turned around and we'll get started. Okay, so these are some of the buckets I got yesterday. I get these at Ingles for free. You can get them in the bakery, deli, just depends on if they have them. And just a note, wintertime is the best time to get them because in the spring and summer, people are getting these and using them in their gardens, and it's very hard to get them. I got all of these. I got 5 of the 2-gallon buckets and 2 of the 4-gallon buckets. And when you get them, they are pretty like this. I don't know if you can tell. This one still has ice in it. You have to wash them really well. And you see how they have the labels on them. I'll scrape the label off when I'm washing them so they're easier to label for me. But anyway, this is a cheap way to work on your food preps. In another place, I don't know if y'all have it around where you're at, but it's Firehouse Subs. You can get 5-gallon buckets. They're pickle buckets. With the bucket and the lid, it's $2, which is not bad at all. We have some of those. Excuse me. But today I'm going to be putting up macaroni noodles and some black beans. I don't think I have enough to fill up one of these buckets, but that's my goal for the week, is to at least get 3 of these put up. But all I do is I take bay leaves and I will put a couple in the bottom of the bucket, and then I will pour my noodles in, and then I'll put a couple on the top. I'll put the lid on, make sure it's sealed real good, and then I'll label it. That's it. And like these right here, these are on sale this week for $1. They're usually $1.38. So I got 6 for $1, and I had 2 in my pantry, and I'm hoping this is enough to fill up one bucket. If not, we'll grab some more next time we're at the store. But so let me see if I can set this camera up to at least to where I can have 2 hands where I'm putting this stuff in the bucket. I have put 2 bay leaves in the bottom, and the only reason I do this, it just tends to help critters stay out. Bugs don't like the scent of a bay leaf. But I'm just going to dump them in. Real life, guys. We got little helpers. Emma, say hello.
Hello.
Alright, that's 4 boxes. 5. 6. Okay, so we can probably fit these other 2 in here. Here, buddy, will you open that, please? But it's this simple, guys. It's this simple, putting up some stuff, and this right here costs me $8. That's it. And it is 8 boxes of macaroni noodles. Go ahead. We can actually probably fit 1 more. So this would hold 9 pounds of macaroni noodles. I don't think I have another box. But anyway, and then now all I'm going to do, I'm going to throw 2 bay leaves on the top, and we're going to put the lid on. Okay, so I got the lid on, got it sealed. It's good to go. And I just wanted to let you guys know that food storage can be simple, and it can be very inexpensive if you shop the sales and you're smart about it. We do rotate our food storage. This is not going up for 25 years or anything crazy like that. We do rotate, and we do use things out of buckets. And even if you're not putting it up for like long-term storage or to have extra things on hand, which I feel like everyone should, this is a good way to keep bugs out. Moths and all that stuff that can get in your boxes, stuff that's not sealed. Great. We've never had a problem with the bucket system like this and with the bay leaves, as long as you're using the food grade buckets, and I just do the bay leaves for extra protection. That's just my personal opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will talk to y'all soon. Thanks for watching.